Hey guys, so how's your weekend going? And I know it's Sunday and the weekend is almost over. So I've been editing some videos, and that's what I do outside of my job. I travel, I make videos, and I do the editing over the weekends. But today I'm going to talk about something very important, which has really helped me have better periods. So just a disclaimer, this video is not for men, but if you think that this video is going to help your sister or your friend, then do watch it. But you have to tolerate the gross details that I'm going to share. So, yeah, let's get straight into the video. So, I'm going to talk about this, which is menstrual cup. So, this thing has literally changed the way how I look at periods. So, periods is something which is a difficult time for most women, but this thing is the menstrual cup is something which can help you in a number of ways, and you can have happy periods if you start using a menstrual cup. So this is not sponsored, this video is not sponsored. I bought this product myself and I started using it and I loved it. So you can get a menstrual cup from other brands if you like, but this is the one I'm using. So I'm going to talk about it today. So I am first going to share with you the 5 reasons why you should start using a menstrual cup, how it is going to help you, and then I'm going to move on to how you can use it, how you can maintain it, and what are the precautions that you can take. So, starting with why you should start using a menstrual cup. So the number one reason is that you won't have messy periods. So your dustbins won't smell and you won't have to worry about, gross sanitary napkins and no bloody tissues after using the lube. So how does that sound? I know the details are gross, and but I wanted to share it so that you get the real picture. So the next reason that you should use a menstrual cup is that you won't get rashes. So I know a lot of women out there who get rashes because of using sanitary napkins, and there is no chance that you're going to get rashes if you use a menstrual cup. So that is a very good reason why you should use it. Now, the third reason that you should use it is that it's very easy to clean and carry. So when you're traveling, you don't have to carry that entire packet of sanitary napkins with you, because you just have to carry this one cup and then that's enough. So that's another reason, because it's very easy to clean. So I'm going to tell you in the maintenance part how you can clean your menstrual cup. Now, the fourth reason is that it is absolutely leak proof. So if you actually learn how to insert it and fit it properly, then there is no chance that it's going to leak. And the fifth reason is that you can live your life as if you're not on your periods. So for example, you can go to a water park, you can go swimming without worrying about that sanitary napkin that you're wearing, because with the menstrual cup, you can be as carefree as possible and you don't have to worry about all these things. So those are the 5 reasons why you should start using a menstrual cup. Now, coming to how to use it. So, by the way, there are a number of videos on YouTube teaching you how to use a menstrual cup. And first, let me show you how it looks. So, this is how the cup looks. So, there are a number of ways you can fold it and where to insert it. So there are a number of ways you can fold it and insert it. So I am going to show you just the one fold which I use and which I feel is the best, because it's the easiest and it works for most people. So it's called the C fold. So what you have to do is you just have to fold it like this, and it looks like this. So this is how it looks. Let me show you again. So you do this and this. That's it. That's how the C fold looks. And what you have to do is you have to fold it like this, and you have to insert it with this facing towards your stomach. So you have to fold it like this, the C fold, and then you insert it facing upwards towards your stomach. And then once you insert it, this thing automatically opens up like this. So that's how it works. And you might even hear this pop sound which happens when this thing opens up on its own. So another thing is to be sure that this thing is inserted properly and it's fit properly and there is no chance of leak happening. What you can do is you can just hold this and pull it down a little just to feel that sense of suction. The feeling of suction, you know that it's fit properly and there are no chances of leak happening right there. So when you want to insert that menstrual cup, squatting really helps. So do squat, and even when you want to take it out, again, squatting helps. So another thing I wanted to mention was that this menstrual cup comes in two sizes. One is for women like me who've never given birth, and the other one is a little bigger, which is for women who've given birth. So you get two sizes and you can choose accordingly. So that's how you have to use it. Now, next I'm going to talk about how you can maintain it, how you can clean it. So there are two ways of cleaning a menstrual cup. Number one is to sterilize it using warm water, but the other way is to use an intimate wash to just wash it. I think the second way is the easiest, and I prefer using an intimate wash because that's much more convenient for me on a daily basis. And I know a lot of women who've actually burned their menstrual cups while sterilizing in warm water or hot water. So that is not something that I want to experience. So I just use the intimate wash. So when I ordered the Pee Safe menstrual cup, I got their intimate wash along with it. So it's a small bottle and you can carry it everywhere easily. So I just use a drop or two of that, and that is what I use whenever I'm supposed to clean it and reuse it. One more thing, you should if you're the first time user and if you've not used it before and if you're not sure how long this cup is going to last for you, you should check it once every 8 hours. That's the minimum amount of time, and maximum this cup is going to last for around 12 hours, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so next, coming to the precautions. So first things first, you have to learn how to fold it and insert it properly, because that's very important in order to ensure that there is no leak happening and that you are having a very comfortable time using it. You also have to make sure that you store your menstrual cup properly in a safe place. So with Pee Safe, you get this small bag which you can use to store your menstrual cup like this. It's absolutely safe. So once it's clean, you can just put it in this and store it away for your next cycle. So you can use something like this to keep it in a safe and dry place, in a clean place. So that's one thing you have to keep in mind. So if you're new to using the menstrual cup, my advice to you would be to use a sanitary napkin or a panty liner the first few times, because you might not be sure about this thing not leaking, and you might be very conscious about it and you might feel a little uncomfortable, and probably if you don't insert it properly the first few times, there might be a chance of a leak. So you don't want that, you want to prevent that. So you can use a panty liner or a sanitary napkin the first few times. So even for me, I was a little paranoid the first few times, but now I'm absolutely comfortable and confident that this will not leak, this will never leak, and that's why I don't use a sanitary napkin along with that. So I hope you found this video helpful. I know there are still a lot of women out there who don't know about a menstrual cup, or who know about it but they're afraid to start using it. So that is why I wanted to share this video, so that it might be helpful to all of you out there. And trust me, this thing will definitely help you have happy periods. It doesn't help the pain though, but otherwise it's awesome. So do check it out and let me know how your experience was. I'll see you then. Bye bye.